Spicy soya gobi. Ingredients. Add salt in hot water. Boil cauliflower and soya chunks. Let's separate all boiled cauliflower and soya chunks from hot water and let it be in cold water. Then squeeze out all the water from cauliflower and soya chunks. Now add corn flour, salt, black pepper powder and crushed ginger into it. Fry into warm oil and let it be separate into clean plate. Fry onion and chili. Mix 2 spoon corn flour with water. Add fries in cornstarch. Add approximately 1 spoon vinegar, soya sauce and pinch of chili powder. Serve spicy gobi soya in plate by adding some green chili pieces.